Hi, wahala don tie wrapper come at this early morning again. Oh, my cafe hala, my country people, my honorable viewers. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anything when it be say the time they talk for the place where you dey so. And I can say happy Sunday, joiner. Welcome to all my new and old followers. God go bless una well for me. Yes, this is Aproko Manager TV. Oh yeah, make we enter inside the matter. We be like saying, I carry us come out this morning. Now about the Funke Akindele. Analyst Ekubo. Is it Ekubo? Abi Ekubo? Abe, I want to help me pronouncing Sunday. We una know why they talk already. Consi bass goes for Alex building, as he go drop one photo when he be like, in short, make I drop the photo, make una dey see am una for the understand where the matter they go and where for the come. My better people, now the photo be this one or this photo get two different wahala when he be like say he don't drunk come like this. Oh yeah, the first one. Now Chicho so he can say Alex. Don't let me hate you. Say why you don't go tell Funke make you go put in home for order first before you go to think of how to put Lagos State in order. Say person wey no fit put in home in order. Why you go come dey carry Lagos State dey put for head? Say how then they sure say Funke go fit give Lagos State wetin they want. Say na the right person. Now there let's come and say he no be that kind celebrity wey dey keep quiet to he come culture ma he say ma, you are too old for this comment. He say he really dey disappointed with that emoji wey be say him heart don break finish like this way he come attach join am. Chicho to support her come comment which is Ekubo God body say tell her to fix her home before telling us how to fix Nigeria. God continue, he say you can't stay with your husband and you want to control full Nigeria. Now she can end up with God. Waiting we never see. Okay, more move to Wahala Part 2. This one I be Wahala Part 2. This Wahala Part 2. Now even carry me enter this comment section deeper. Oka for Kachi Kadu. I bet Mona pronounce that way. He said this is pre-wedding picture. Because I don't understand the picture at all. And my country people. In question not dey bad at all because una know say this our commenters association then they reason far, they think smarter and faster because the picture when e be say them put for here they advertise that deputies are not deputy governor. E not resemble anything like politician. Wetin just be like e be like when they advertise one kind pre-wedding as so car for talk make I reflash una with the photo again. Oh yeah, make una watch and well. Una see how two of them join their hand, they fly that something will be like ring for their hand because that one not be original ring. So now that one and I draw car for attention. Say, may not come be like say these people tomorrow they come tell us say they are declaring themselves as husband and wife. Because when I don't say Funke don't bag a come up for his own husband side, they don't share Gary according to them. So see this photo and these two hands for here, if they tell us something else, not be exactly that deputies or politicians where they say now they won't do. Now there the members must come start for Funke Mokuna see. I be more na read on set, but I will support on read this one where it be like say it make me roll for grand small. Official Embo say happy marriage life to them. May God bless their new home. Amen. Alex Godson can't drop his own comment. He said, indeed, there was a country. That one, they confuse somebody brain. Make una help me interpret and where I beg. I am Ghanaian, that one can't drop it. He said, we hope she remains anti-corruption like she acted in Jennifer's Harry. I beg this our commenters, eh? I say, make una not enter their mouth. If you enter our commenters association mouth, hey, you are a gun, I'm telling you. Okay, my wonderful people, make I leave una here.